Right, we have been busy as ever, so I'm going to do a quick vlog. We haven't done one of these for a while, have we, Destiny? About what we've been up to, what are we whittling our time away. Why haven't we finished that G4? Because we've been busy. There's one on eBay at the moment, a G4. We were tempted, weren't we? The price has gone up now, Destiny. It's not at 4,000 anymore. It's at like 8,000 now. I'll put a link in the description below. There's a G4 with a blown engine. Imagine a TD V6 blowing up. That'd be one for LR time to fix, I reckon. It's even got the kayak and everything with it. Right, ours hasn't even got a blown engine. It's just a handbrake module. Right, so the Stig is now, you've seen it. We've showed it off at the Land Rover show, those that came. So that is our new olive green Stig with some HSX graphics and a refresh. And we're quite liking that. It looks nice. Right, what else have we been up to? Right, we have been trying to fit a larger screen. This is our pot of bits. So we have bought the larger screen, and I've done a video of how to remove the screen, and we are just doing the wiring now. Jump inside and I'll show you what we're up to. Right, so we have the bigger screen. Now, there's a load of plastics, and we're working on our own mount, because you have to buy like 53 bits of plastic to go in here. It's not that many, but it's quite a few, isn't it, Destiny? It's like 7 or 8. Bits of plastic, and I don't think there's any need. I've 3D printed one and we've got it there. We're working on a plug and play wiring loom. This is not it. This is just us checking it works, and we've literally just today plugged it in, but when we power it up we don't get anything, so we've got to change the CCF files. So we're playing with the IID tool, and we've done an IID tool quick start, so we're going to get going with the IID tool and show you how to change the CCF files. What else have we been doing in the Stig? Oh, let's have a look at the side molly plates. So keep watching the videos and we'll update you as we get on and get this done, and we'll obviously save you from all these horrors. We'll come up with a nice plug and play solution, hopefully, so you can upgrade the screen. There are a few knocking around now on eBay, some from Jags, some from Land Rovers, so it'll be quite a cost-effective option coming up soon. Right, let's go around the side and have a look at the side picnic tables. So these are our new V2 molly plates. So this is much more grid based rather than the ones with all our cutouts in, and they've been selling reasonably well. But we're working, one thing feature we put in it was we put the holes so that we could use our back door table on the side. First thing we have to change is the length of the straps, because it was perpendicular, so it was sticking up here. So we're working on the new strap design, and then that's gonna, and now the other problem we've got is working out a lock, because really there's a risk that if these come flying down, it could hurt someone. So we've really got to make sure that these are both clipped and locked. But we've gone off this idea, haven't we, Destiny? Because it sort of interferes with the table. We're probably going to go for something like a more over-center fastener that clips onto something at the top here and clips up. That's what we're looking at. So we're working on that. Right, let's go and have a look at the 90. So this is our spare wheel reverse. You will note normally you see the sort of front face of the spare wheel. So we've reversed it. These are just temporary bolts in here at the moment. And that could be used for storage by reversing the wheel, and the weight is closer to the door. But part of this design is this ladder design we're working on to give you ladder. So we're going to have the steps where these green bits of tape are. So this is just us in our development stage. So we're working on that. Let us know your thoughts. Do you want a ladder? What do you think of our ladder? Obviously it'll all be powder coated and look pretty cool. We've got our rear covers on. They're selling well. Some people have mentioned that you can see a little bit of the side here, and so we may look at a slightly different design. It doesn't give us a problem. But some people have commented we could perhaps tweak that, and we listen to what people say, and we'll have some thoughts on that and how we can improve that. Right, now in the back here somewhere, oh yes, here, look, these are our new table clips. Now if you've bought one of our picnic tables, these clips will be available as an alternative to the thumb turn type. So this is our new clip design. We just need a little bit of of optimization on that, but that's pretty good now. So Zach's been working on that, and we'll relaunch the tables with these clips as standard, and we'll also sell those as an upgrade if you've got the thumb turn, because it's just much more convenient. So that's one thing we've been working on. Right in the back of the 90, I took this off earlier, Destiny. I nearly drove off with it. Every time I drive the 90, something falls off it. Because he's a bit of a mule, as are all our cars. So this is our new production colour change panel to go on the front. So this is just the cover panel. Now, what we've had a slight issue with is we did leave originally a hole in the panel for the parking sensors, and we were just going to leave them like this. Let me know your thoughts, but it looked a little bit, okay, you could spray it black or put a sticker on. But we've been working on printing a little sensor, but it's really tricky to get it to so that the parking sensor doesn't see it. And we've worked out what it is if there's any air gap between this and whatever is in front of it, it thinks there's something in its way and it sets the parking sensors off. So we've just put a little bit of silicone on there and then stuck that on, and then that doesn't see it. So we're just 3D printing these panels and getting that, and we've designed a little clip to aid fitting it, because where it's a stick-on panel, we're going to put 2 little clips up here, and we're just so that when you get the kit, you get these handy little clips that hold it on, so it's a complete solution ready to go. So we're nearly there with that. We've got these in stock, and it's frustrating. I've got them there, and we want to get them up for sale. So let us know your thoughts on that. Right, let's go back in the workshop.
Fuel flap.
Fuel flap. Oh, come and have a look at the fuel flap. Back round the back. Oh, I'm going to get dizzy. Right then. So, Land Rover made the fuel flap without Land Rover made the Defender without a locking fuel cap for a period of time, so that people could steal your fuel. Your fuel flap was not locked. So we did a retrofit kit, and people have been wanting to buy it. And one thing we wanted to do before we released it for international sale was have a little manual override release switch that you can drill and put in there. So we've now got that. We've added that to the kit, and they're now relaunched and will be for sale internationally, so we can keep all you international customers happy. Oh, let's go and look at some Evoque stuff, shall we? We have just bought a damaged Evoque headlight. So this was facelift type, wasn't it? It was 16 on. Apparently it's broken. And we're going to do the video of how to cut this open and then get a new lens and a new rear and glue them together. So we'll do the whole strip down. We did that for the Defender. People have asked us, can you do it for the Evoque? So we've bought that, and we are going to get that done. So, we've bought ourselves a race box, which is a way of doing 0 to 60 timing. So you put this little module on your roof and it will time, and there's a reason we want to do that, and we'll look at doing that. So that's the Evoque. All this nonsense, this is Simon's crazy water bowser. Oh, should we show people our number plate collection? So one thing we put on the workshop door is our collection of number plates. So these are quite funny. Some of you better work this out. This one we thought was quite cool. There you go. If you know, you know. What's Simon up to next? So there's a whole... Oh, that one fallen off. Have we taped... That fell off, look. Anyone with a Harley Davidson, let me know, and I'll tell you a nice number plate. And if Donald Trump wins the next election, I'm going to be loaded, I reckon. Right, where were we going? The water bowser. Right, so the neighbours in these nice quiet offices just over there, pan over Destiny. Destiny knows one of the girls that works in there. They said, Destiny, what's he doing now? What is he up to? Is it a missile or what? But no, it's a water bowser. I'll put a picture, and we're going to tow it behind the Range Rover Classic Fire Truck, and I'm just going to turn it into a barbecue. I've cut this bit off, so this is going to open like this, and I'm going to make it like a camping trailer thing, sort of water bowser look. This, we've been busy. We've been busy here, haven't we? We've been busy this week, Destiny. So we're just working on putting a concrete pad in here, and then we've got a 2-post lift over there. So we're going to have a 2-post lift, very LR time style. We were going to put it inside the other unit, but we rented the other unit out, and it's more handy out here because we're next to where we work. So we are going to put that there. We've run the 3-phase and the single-phase electrics out to it. we're going to put the reinforced slab. That's next week's job, is putting that slab in. Right, should we go and look on Zach's desk, see what Zach's got? This video is chaotic as my head, but here you go. So we have got 2 new 3D printers. We've got these bamboo printers, and they are much quicker and offer us some tricky design options that we haven't got with the Ultimakers. So as well as the 6 Ultimakers, we've now got 2 bamboos join the family. Oh, as health and safety violation, I better tidy up. These are the cables coming in for our post outside. So you can see here, everything is happening. Let's go and sneak up on Zach. His desk is next to it. That used to be my desk. In COVID, he got reallocated the big desk. I don't know what happened. But let's have a look what he's up to. Oh, he's printing some bits on the bamboo, I think. He's got some, oh, and the step. That step is for the ladder we looked at for the back of the 90. So where we put those green tape, we're going to have these little step plates with checker plate on them. Right, let's go and see what he's got to show us. Right, we've just done a smash and grab on Zach's desk. Don't look at my desk. Oh, my goodness me. How's it going, Ben? Good. Good. Right, let's go and have a look what Zach's been playing with. Right, so our awning brackets have been selling quite well. Better than we thought, actually. And I think the fact that it's quick release is quite good. But a couple of people have written to us, a few people, and said, well, they've got the Land Rover roof tent on top of their Expedition roof rack, and there's no gap at all, and they can't get a plate that goes over the top in between their roof rack and their roof tent. And is there another way they can do it? So we have been working on this, and I don't know why we didn't think of this before, but what we're looking at doing is an awning system that actually clamps round these pillars. And so if I can remember how this goes, I should do, because it was mostly half my idea at least. It's going to go like that, and then there's going to be a strap round the back with some metal plates, and that's going to clamp there and give us a platform where we can put the awning mount system on there and hopefully do quick release again. So we've got that coming. That's in progress, that one. What else did we steal off Zach's desk? Chargers. Let's do them in the 90. This is a new MagSafe charger we've got, and we're getting quite good at some of these designs now, if I say so myself. And this one, so the MagSafe chargers work with the iPhone and allow you to, it holds the phone and charges it. So this is going to go in here like so, and then this we've designed to go anywhere you like along this aperture here. So let me get it the right way up. So it goes on that, and it snaps in on that top bit there, and allows you to put your phone on there and charge your phone. So that's the plan with that. So these will be launched soon. But we've actually taken this concept of clipping on here, and we've made a whole new panel so that you can have a switch panel. And one thing we thought about is, could we add the MagSafe chargers to the switch panel? So we've designed this, and it'll just be a generic product actually. Oh, I didn't show you with a coil feature on the back of that. I said, Zach, can you design a surface mount panel that will go on here? So what he's designed is a surface mount panel, and it's quite cunning, if I get it right. It allows you to put your MagSafe charger in here, okay? And then when you've got your switch panel on here, you'll be able to drill a hole in the back of it, put your wire through the back, and there's a little strain relief feature we've built in here, look. And that's going to go on there, so it'll allow you to have switches, and you could incorporate a charger. But this we might just release generally. Just you could screw that on a wall, or we've given a secondary exit there, so you could just put it on a wall or in any panel anywhere. You could even use it on our auxiliary panels we've got there. But this is quite cool as well. So on the new bamboo printers, the surface you print on, you can select different surfaces. And this one, is it coming out in the camera? Yeah. It's got a carbon fibre. Have you seen this? Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's nice. It's nice, isn't it? It's really quite a nice carbon fibre effect finish. So it gives you a really finished looking product. We're quite pleased with that. Right, what else did we steal off Zach's desk? What else did I steal? Or was that it?
I think that was it.
We've done the chargers. I think that's enough. Does that justify we've been working on stuff? Any oh, a little phone. So on LinkedIn, I'm on LinkedIn. Don't look me up because I'm just the T-boy. but that's to put off sort of people who love to live in corporate land. But it says, who's been looking at your profile every week? And normally I get 7 people have looked at your profile. But this week, for some reason, 35 people have looked at my profile. And one of them's the BBC. So why are the BBC looking at my profile? Anyway, that's enough. Have a nice bank holiday weekend. Why have I got blue tack on my airbag?
That was from the note I left you about fuel.
Oh, fuel. Yeah, please feed me fuel. I've gone and filled up with fuel. Right, have a great bank holiday weekend. Let us know any products you need. Let us know your thoughts, ideas, comments on the stuff we've shown you. We do like to do stuff and listen to feedback. Right, that's it from me and Destiny and the team here. Right, we're going to go and enjoy a holiday weekend.